Suri. I'm the Academic Vice President at Royal University for Women. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduating students from College of Art and Design. At Royal University for Women, our mission is to empower women to work for their advancement. And I'm very proud to say that we have various colleges at the university, the College of Law, College of Business and Financial Sciences, and College of Art and Design. Being the nature of the college, College of Art and Design is actually the face of RUW, and we are offering graphic design, fashion design, interior design, and also architectural design programs at the undergraduate levels. We also have the master's program in design management and also in fine arts in drawing and painting. Today I am standing in front of you talking about our creative students who have done their best in terms of how they are designing the garments, they are designing the interior spaces, and also the various graphic related posts. At their graduation, I would like to congratulate them because the Moda Mist is where we are trying to put the fashion ensembles of the students that they have created based on certain themes. Moda Mist is a fashion show which is an annual show that we have every year. In addition to that, we also have Tasameem, which is our exhibition for our interior fashion and graphic students. My heartiest congratulations to all of them for their graduation. I want to showcase the students and our alumni who have worked so well in the past. They are employed at excellent places. We have excellent linkages with industry, with Supreme Council for Women, with various industries like BAPCO and other places. And this experience has made our students a much better, employable graduate. I wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
At the end of this academic year, I would like to congratulate the graduating interior design students for this milestone and for what they have achieved through their journey at RUW. Dear students, you should be proud of your achievement despite all the challenges you faced in this pandemic. You experienced both types of teaching and learning from highly qualified faculty members. From face-to-face lectures, studio work, and collaboration at RUW campus, as well as virtual classes and engaging in online discussion and presentation through a professional platform. You successfully completed your diploma from UK Pearson and your bachelor's degree from RUW. You gained the required knowledge in solving different problems and to become well-equipped and capable interior designers. You also learned different specialized courses to further reinforce your knowledge in the industries such as construction technology, computer drafting, and building systems. Your journey at RUW is complete for the undergraduate interior design program, and now at this stage, you have become the ambassadors of RUW. I'm confident that you will shine and excel in any position you work in with your creativity, confidence, forward thinking, and leadership. I want you to know that your university will open its doors to you anytime you want to share your career and your experiences with our students. Wishing you all the success and congratulations.
My name is Al-Ajmi. My major is interior design, and I am now in the final year of graduation, and I will present my final graduation project. My project is an integrated sports center located in the Kingdom of Bahrain called Royal Golf Club, and is a center suitable for all ages and has all the basic facilities. The inspiration of the project will come from the nature and garden, and the mood board will be a display of the style used for this project, which is the contemporary style. This is a floor plan with colored for ground floor. This is for first floor. This is the section with the colored. Perspective in 3D Max, reception and coffee shop. This is the gym. This is the restaurant. This is the poster.
Hi, my name is Zain Suwaidi and I'm an interior designer. This is my final graduation project. And for my last project, I wanted to challenge myself and to do something I didn't do before, which is designing a craft center. And after discussing the project with my advisors in the first semester, we agree on this project, which is Al Jasra Handicraft Center. The center is one of the most considered and important craft center in Bahrain. It was established in 1990. The center has been embracing the Bahraini artists that are specialized in a number of areas of traditional craft and industries. The craftsman has been providing with independent workshops where they can show off their product and attract visitors at the same time to see the craftsman work directly. And it's located in Al Jasra village in Kingdom of Bahrain. The total area for the center is around 190.68 square meters. So the aim for this project is to come out with a new concept between past and present. The intent of the design project is to take advantage of the old design of the building and turn it into contemporary up-to-date design, bringing in additional natural light and utilize a combination between old and a new design style to create electric feel to the overall space. This is the inspiration mood board. This is the material board. This is the original plan, which you can see there is 10 units and visitor center and a lot of outdoor empty space. This is the final plan layout, which I separate the workshops from the craft shops, so the total now is 8 units, 4 units for workshops, 4 units for craft shops, and I also add an outdoor workshops and coffee shop. This is the first floor plan, which is mainly for offices and meeting rooms. This is the material plan. This is the reflected ceiling plan. This is section AA, which is the visitor center. This is section BB for the visitor center. This is section CC, which is the pottery workshop and the manager office with the meeting room. This is section DD. Zoom in. This is section EE, and this is the outdoor workshop 3D shots. This is the 3D of the pottery shop, and this is the ship model shop 3D shots. This is the waving shop, and this is the cafe 3D shots. And finally, this is the final poster of my project.
My name is Dana Madani. I'm a final year student at RUW. My major is interior design. الالتقاء تحت سقف واحد وعرض مواهبهم الإبداعية والاسترخاء في نفس الوقت. يتضمن مشروع التخطيط تصميم حديث ومستدام ومستوحى من الطبيعة. You can find the pictures from my project next.
This is Fatma Al-Rahma. I'm a fourth year interior design student at the Royal University for Women. My final year project is redesigning Al-Ayyam Media Center. The concept of my project is to create a comfortable space for the employees to enjoy working in and for the clients to enjoy their visit. The inspiration of my project was derived from the digital movement and the artworks of Piet Mondrian and Theo van Doesburg. The style used in the project is the modern style because of its low stress level maintenance, and due to its direct link to the digital movement. The mood board shows a collection of pictures that I use for inspiration to use in my project, and it also shows the color scheme I'm using in the project. The materials board shows the materials that were used in the project.
I'm Fatma Rana, an interior design graduating student at the Royal University for Women in Bahrain. My graduation project is the Brainbox Education and Activity Center. It's an educational space where children come for private tutoring and camp activities after school. My concept was inspired from the colors and form of a childhood toy which gives off a playful energy, and the free-flowing shape of a circle helped inspire me to create a concept that promotes group learning and teamwork. The mood board reflects a contemporary, colorful style with different functional zones. The materials board represents the different textures that will be used throughout the project. These are a few sketches when brainstorming ideas for each zone. The finalized plan shows the use of each villa from cafes and activity centers on one side to the educational zone, including classrooms and libraries on the other. Here are some of the close-up floor plans of the villas, as well as the sectional elevations and 3D renderings that show the material, concept, and color scheme applied.
This is Mayan Majid Mahmoud, graduate of the class of 2021 from the Royal University for Women, holding a Bachelor's of Arts in Interior Design. Regarding my experience at RUW, I have been grateful and much appreciative of the doctors that have been helpful throughout my university journey. At RUW, students are provided with one of the best schools of art while holding a high standards in academics. The final graduation project is made to show the final level with creativity and implement different concepts into existing buildings, renovating and introducing a sustainable design which will suit the environment. The chosen project is Al Zamel Towers, a skyscraper which has been one of the most visited landmarks in Manama. The mission statement of this project is to create an interior design company in this area with all the facilities needed, such as offices, meeting rooms, workplace, and more. Having a different vision is to create a cafe in the space to make it easier for clients to meet their designers, and have a furniture gallery with selected pieces making it look different. Having an old interior space and renovating it in a modern way, as well as having more spaces. To solve this issue is to design a workspace with the needed amount of area and adding facilities needed with extra spaces in order to be used in the future. The chosen concept in the final project is straight lines, where everything will be going into one direction, also where work meets comfort. Having 2 floors of an interior firm office, as well as furniture display store with a coffee shop to break the same routine of all offices or furniture stores, bringing only the highest quality as well as working with high-end brands to create a beautiful interior space using selected items from all around the globe. While working on my final project, I had to follow the design process, having to brainstorm, create mood boards with the interior spaces that inspired me, planning floor plans with many spaces, and having to create a reflected ceiling plan to show how the lighting will be in the existing space, as well as creating sectional elevations with my own design and having to imagine how it will look like in reality through the 3D shots.
My name is Rayana Salah Abdul Karim al-Zikri, ID number 2818, and this is my final exam project. The presentation will be covering up an office space design created for the collective hub. What is the Collective Hub? The Collective Hub is basically an office building company created for startups and investors under the same building. The aim and goal: to recognize the functionalities of how to design a well-planned office building, to create flexibility, develop efficiency, overview office environment. This is the location of the building. Problem and mission. The problem is poor space program, no separation of specific areas. Spaces are focused on specific areas. Aspects of employee relaxation is poorly ignored. Our mission is to create different title zones for employees, provide employees well-functioned areas to set motivation and workspaces, and separate areas such as relaxation and working areas. Images of the project. Original plan scale. These are the ground floor plan with the space program, the first floor plan, and the second floor plan. Brainstorming is where I set images towards what I will be pointing out in the project. The concept is to create a space for employees and clients to socialize in a well-healthy environment. The color scheme is consisted of neutral colors because it eases to the eye and easily flows to the eye's focal point to see, and symbolizes tranquility. My inspiration towards the office space is to create a look of a glass greenhouse, where greenery creates a healthy atmosphere. The style is mixing Scandinavian with a twist of modern. Why? To allow the style to create a story of its own environmental towards the eye and space. The furniture sample that I have chosen are simple and easily going with the space and office design, and the lighting fixtures as well. Material samples where I have researched specific materials towards how to design an office plan, and the accessory samples are collected by research. Ground floor. My furniture floor plan, the final look towards plan, the reflected ceiling plan, my second floor plan, my reflected ceiling plan, sections, my perspective drawings, where I had showcased some specific areas of the plan. My poster where I summed up all my work. So if you could see, I have provided a brief location, site plan, problem and mission, the images of the project,